Want to know how to prevent people from seeing your projects in Asana? If you've ever wanted to keep certain tasks or projects private, then this quick guide is for you. You'll learn exactly how to control who sees what in Asana, so stick around until the end for a bonus tip that'll help you get even more out of your Asana setup. Before we dive in, did you know you can try Asana for free with our exclusive bonuses? Check out the first link below for a free trial. Now, let's get into the good stuff. The first thing you'll want to do is adjust your project's privacy settings. In Asana, every project has its own visibility settings, and you can choose to make your project private to specific team members. Simply click on the project name, then go to the drop-down menu. You'll see an option to change the project's privacy from public to private. Next thing, let's talk about team permissions. If you're working within a team in Asana, you might want to restrict access at the team level. If you don't want anyone outside your immediate team seeing your projects, go to your team settings and adjust the permissions. You can set your team to be only members or no access for certain users. Now, the third thing is using private tasks. If you only want to keep certain tasks private, but still need to share the overall project, Asana lets you set individual tasks as private. To do this, just open the task, click on the three dots on the top right, and select Make Task Private. This way, even though the project is visible, the sensitive tasks remain hidden. The fourth thing you'll want to do is adjust the permissions for collaborators. By default, anyone you invite to a project gets access to all the tasks. If you want to prevent people from seeing certain tasks, you'll need to invite them only to the relevant tasks. Simply send them an invite to specific tasks and they'll only see what you want them to see. Lastly, don't forget to review the project members list. You might find some users have access that you didn't intend for them to have. In the project settings, you can remove anyone from seeing your project who no longer needs access, ensuring that only the right people are involved. With these steps, you'll have total control over who sees what in Asana and make sure your projects stay private when needed. Before you go, remember that you can access Asana for free and get exclusive bonuses when you use the link in the description. Make sure you check it out.